passes. Next item, 3.01, Lohman's Day at the Brown. Dr. B.
Thank you, Chair. Thank you, board members, members of the audience. Good morning to each and every one of you, and those of you listening from home. Thank you for tuning in. It really is. It really makes my heart very happy that we're starting this board meeting this way. 6 years ago, it seems like just yesterday, but 6 years ago, our wonderful coordinator for science, Jen Taylor, along with our former board member, Carl Persis, and Mr. and Mrs. Lohman then. We had a meeting at MOAS back then, and there was a vision, and the vision was to really take a love for learning in the field of science and bringing experiences to life for our students. I still remember the meeting as if it was yesterday. There was so much passion in that room. And I will tell you, for 6 years now, the Lohmans, they have supported our school system, benefiting over 34,000 students. Every fifth grader gets an opportunity to spend an entire day, and sometimes even their families, at MOAS, now the Browns, where they get an opportunity to really look at those standards that they struggle with the most, field experience standards, and bring that learning to life. I still also will say that Mr. Lohman and Mrs. Lohman every year has done a big celebration annually for those students, and she also has another big announcement that she'll be making today. But I can't thank you enough, because Jen Taylor is always in awe when we see our scores each and every year for our students, and the difference that those standards, when students are able to experience it live, what it does for them and also their learning. So you single-handedly, you and your family has contributed to something monumental for our students here in terms of their experiences in the field of science, and we would like to do a presentation today. So I'm going to ask Ms. Taylor, Jen Taylor, to join us up there, Mrs. Lohman to come and join us, and also we have Seth Mayo from our curator of science from the planetarium that's here. And Jen, I will ask you to say a few words before we do our presentation. But also we would like to hear from both Mrs. Lohman and Seth, as you may have something to share as well.
Absolutely, and I get very emotional when I'm with Mrs. Lohman and Lowell. It's hard to believe it's been 6 years now, and we've had this program running now for 5 years. And when we met the first time, it just sounded like a crazy idea, and they wanted to commit one grade level, and they wanted to support all of the kids in that grade level to be able to have this field study experience. Well, if we remember the second meeting, they had this little huddle to decide if they were going to do it or not. And the next thing I know, he looked at her and she looked at him, and she shook her head, and he said, okay, we're going to double it. So instead of all fifth graders going, it was all fifth graders and all eighth graders going. It's just been a beautiful partnership, and what's so wonderful about this is being able to work with the museum. When I was a kid in Volusia County Schools, I got to go to the museum as part of an annual thing that we did in elementary school, but that partnership over the years, the money went away, and because of that, we no longer had that program. And so when Carl and the Lohmans came to me and said, hey, what about starting this again? I'm like, this is fantastic. And I get to work with Seth more often in the museum. So it's just been a beautiful partnership, and I just thank you so much, and I don't take anything for granted. Every year is such a gift when they have been able to come back and say, we're going to do this for one more year. You know, what makes this gift so meaningful is the love and vision behind it. If you've ever been in a room with Lowell and Nancy, it is just something that just leaves a
magic.
It is, isn't it? It just touches everyone in the room. And he truly believed, as you do, that every child deserved to be part of this program, regardless of circumstance. And one of the things that he would do every year when we'd have our meeting, we'd have our budget meeting, is he would say, now, Jen, tell me, who's selected to be in this program? How do we decide which kids get to go and which kids don't get to go? And I'd look at him, and it was like a trick question every year. And he'd get this little grin on his face, and I'd say, well, you've already paid for all the kids to go. And he's like, well, that's what I wanted to hear. And so he just continued on. It made him so happy. I think year after year, he'd ask me the numbers. What are the numbers? And at this point, over 40,000 students have been able to go to the planetarium and have the stage show as part of their curriculum. And that was one of the promises we made. This wasn't just a field trip. This was a curriculum, and it's in the 5th grade and the 8th grade curriculum. And through our partnership, our science scores have grown all 5 years of this partnership. So you've been part of this. Thank you. Want to say a few words?
Yeah, we can't thank Nancy and, of course, Lowell enough. Like Jennifer said, we always see their enthusiasm when they come to the museum. We've always have. I mean, I'm proud to wear the Lohman shirt that I'm wearing, our planetarium shirt, and all our staff as well. But to see those kids come in because of you and because of Lowell means so much. And they're still coming in. They're still getting this opportunity. And many of them, for the first time, never been to a planetarium before or for a museum or at a museum at all. So that's an extraordinary thing you're giving them, and you're continuing to give them, and it just means a lot to us. And we decided in our lobby, we have a quote from Lowell Lohman that says, "Adventure in life begins with learning." And it's the last thing you see as you leave the planetarium, and they truly mean that, and Nancy truly means that. So even though Lowell is not here with us today, those words still echo in our hallways and in our planetarium and in our new planetarium, because we'll be building a new one in the next few years, because now we're called the Brown, the CCN High Brown Museum of Art, Science, and History. We're also proud to also still be called the Lohman Planetarium. Thank you for your support. We appreciate it.
Would you like to say a few words? Because I would like to read what's on the plaque. Okay.
Thank you. Just wanted to reiterate how meaningful it was to Lowell and me, especially when we first met with Jen and Dr. B and Seth and Carl Persis. We saw your passion, we saw your commitment to education and particularly the sciences, and we know where that's our future. So just wanted to say that if Lowell and I played a small part in all of you and everyone in the school system reaching that pinnacle of creating our school system as an A district, I just want to share with you my congratulations to all of you and say thank you for allowing us to be a small part of that. I was thrilled when I learned that with the continuation of our support, both at the Brown and of course with the school system, the planetarium will be continued to be called the Lohman Planetarium, because Lowell, is smiling from ear to ear down on all of us to know that we get to continue to be a part of that. I can't imagine, truthfully, never supporting the initiative, but I have made it a very, firm commitment for at least the next 6 years. But honestly, that's just what's in writing. I can't really imagine saying no. So anyway, I'm thrilled to be a part of it and thrilled to continue Lowell's legacy of learning. Thanks for letting me be a part of it. Thank you.
So I would like to read on behalf of the board and every single student here in Volusia County. We want to say thank you to you and your late husband for your commitment and for the difference that you're making in the lives of our students. So this is what it says. I'm going to read it. In honor and memory of Nancy and Lowell Lohman, with heartfelt gratitude for Nancy and Lowell Lohman, extraordinary generosity establishing the Lohman's Day at the Brown, formerly MOAS, for Volusia County Schools, 5th and 8th grade science students. Through this ongoing commitment, thousands of students have experienced the wonder of science, space, and discovery at the Brown, and in the Lohman Planetarium, sparking curiosity and opening doors to new possibilities. In loving memory of Lowell Lohman, whose vision was to share his love of space, regardless of circumstance, with every 5th and 8th grade student in Volusia County Schools. Though Lowell has passed away, Nancy Lohman continues this commitment in his name. Lowell's legacy will continue to inspire learning, remove barriers, and encourage generations of students to explore, imagine, and discover. Quote unquote, adventure in life begins with learning. Lowell Lohman.